Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing today for you, although it's more of an unbagging rather than an unboxing. I have decided to step out of my comfort zone, which has been purchasing pre-loved items from Fashion File, and decided to wade into the world of eBay, in particular Japanese resellers. One of the reasons why I chose to go with a Japanese reseller is because of the strict rules in Japan with regards to reselling inauthentic pieces. They tend to have more strict guidelines with regards to resale, and I decided that I was willing to take the plunge, especially if the price was right. And as you can tell from my thumbnail, this is not clickbait. This is a piece that I purchased for less than an SLG, a brand new SLG. Now this is a well-loved piece, is probably putting it mildly, but I'm hoping to do a little bit of restoration on it, and I'll talk a little bit more about that. But to reveal, well packaged, that's good. The bubble wrap, you can't tell this is a Louis Vuitton piece. And this is a Louis Vuitton Solon bag. It is in the monogram canvas with this vachette. The vachetta is actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be, and the bag is smaller than I thought it was going to be, which is actually good. So a little bit of wear on the canvas, but that's okay. And as you can see, hopefully you can see, it has the Made in France, has a zippered pocket, and the hardware inside is not too bad. This needs a little bit of a shine, and if I am correct, yes, there you can see the date code stamped. So if this is a piece, so first week of 2002, and it has this front slip, has a front slip pocket, and as well as a back slip pocket. There's a little bit of a musty odor to it, but I think maybe putting a charcoal, one of these charcoal bag that absorbs odors will probably help it. And the vachetta here obviously is pretty dirty. The vachetta does have some wear, and especially here in the corners, it's quite worn. And there is a little bit of a tear here in the vachetta, but the canvas appears to be in good shape, and there's more wear and a little bit of tear. Now, one of the things that I was planning to do was cleaning this bag, especially if the vachetta was looking pretty dirty. And the reality is it's not super dirty as much as it is worn. So this is a bag that actually may be a good candidate for taking to my local Louis Vuitton and seeing about having the vachetta replaced. Other YouTubers have said it has cost them around $500, which even if it cost $500 to $600 would still be a lot less than a brand new Louis Vuitton bag. And given the fact that this canvas is in really good shape, I think that it would be worth it. This does have this shoulder strap. It has like a little rubberized piece here. The vachetta is quite soft, as you can see. Has a honey golden patina. And this is, again, quite worn, has some water stains, as you can tell. Now, just to give you a little bit of detail with regards to this bag, it does measure about a little over 10 inches in length. This is about, let's say, about 7 inches in height, and depth at the widest part is about three inches, I would say. So I will be doing a video, I think, on cleaning up some of the pieces, these worn areas. But I suspect even with the cleaning, I really will want to take this to my Louis Vuitton once the store has reopened in order to have the vachetta replaced. Oh, and just one final thing. As I said, the price of this, I was able to, it was an auction, and I was able to get it for $406. So even with a $500 to $600 cost to replace all the vachetta, that would still be under $1,000 or around $1,000, which at this point you can not buy a bag on Louis Vuitton for $1,000, and you can barely buy some of the larger SLGs for $1,000. So I actually think that this is a pretty good buy, given all. I hope you enjoy this video and this little bit of a unbagging reveal. If you like videos like this, please give this one a thumbs up. And I would love it if you would join my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button. You will also see some additional videos that might pique your interest. If so, please give them a like and check them out. Have a great week. See you soon. Bye.